If your ideal vacation involves sun-soaked days lounging on beaches and sailboats, followed by lively nights immersed in techno music, then Ibiza, or Ibiza in Catalan, is the destination for you. Renowned for its vibrant nightlife centered around Ibiza Town and Scenic, this third-largest Balearic island, situated off Spain's east coast, draws crowds of party enthusiasts during its peak summer season. Yet, Ibiza offers more than just revelry. Its pine-covered hills hide charming villages, secluded coves shelter family-friendly beaches, and local markets brim with tempting offerings, from traditional Balearic cuisine to artisanal goods, like leather items and olive oils. Ibiza exceeds expectations, revealing a multitude of experiences beyond its renowned party scene. The optimal time to visit Ibiza spans from May to October, when temperatures range from the mid-70s to mid-80s and the party atmosphere thrives. In contrast, the period between November and April marks the low season, characterized by reduced flight and accommodation rates, as well as milder temperatures ranging from the 50s to 60s. While Catalan and Spanish are the predominant languages spoken by locals in Ibiza, the town's heavy tourist influx means visitors can navigate without fluency in either language. Nonetheless, knowing a few essential phrases can enhance the experience. Opting for a car is the most convenient means of transportation in Ibiza, affording flexibility to explore the island at your own pace. Although bus services are available, they don't cover all points of interest nor operate round the clock. Taxis serve as an alternative for those relying on public transit, though fares can accumulate quickly. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Ibiza. We hope you're feeling inspired to embark on your own adventure to this vibrant island paradise. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment sharing your thoughts and experiences. And don't forget to subscribe to Expedition Next for more exciting travel content. Until next time, happy exploring!